This is 106.1 KYVZ. Good Tuesday morning. Joe Vyzourek visiting now with meteorologist Sramek at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, a beautiful day yesterday. Things a little warmer this afternoon.
Yeah, Joe, we're going to see things look pretty nice here for the next several days, all the way through the weekend. And then we're going to keep our eye on some storm systems next week. It looks like we've got a low pressure trough that'll come over the Rockies on Monday, and then that'll turn into a low pressure there Monday night and Tuesday that'll move through here on the high plains and could be a rain and snow event. So that's something we're going to keep an eye on as we look further down the road. But until then, we're going to enjoy this spring-like weather. Out there this morning, we're starting out right around 30 degrees. We got a southwest breeze at 10 miles per hour. Those winds will continue from the west-southwest direction around that 10 miles an hour through the day. And with partly cloudy skies, we'll see temperatures climb up there in the upper 60s to around 70. Tonight's low will be around 35. Then tomorrow we should warm into the middle 60s before a cool front comes through during the evening and overnight. That'll turn our winds to a northeast direction at 10 to 15 miles per hour, and our overnight lows will drop into the lower 30s. We could see a scattered light rain shower during the evening out there, mainly to the west along that Kansas-Colorado border. Otherwise, it'll be dry and it won't pick up any moisture until it moves into Missouri during the overnight hours, and then off to the Ohio Valley, east, southeast United States with some thunderstorms there on Friday and maybe even some snow to the New England states. We'll be on the backside of that system. We'll see temperatures drop into the upper 50s, lower 60s for Thursday, Friday, overnight lows into the upper 20s. That's still 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. And then over the weekend, it'll be a nice weekend to be doing some going state wrestling, doing something outside, start some yard work for spring, because temperatures will be right back up there in the upper 60s and lower 70s.
Chris, you mentioned that storm system that could be impacting the tri-state region next week. Right now, what are estimates showing as far as how much precipitation could be impacting the area?
Well, with that system, it looks like there on Monday, it's going to have low pressure centered. It's strong enough to produce some south winds gusting 30, 40 miles per hour. And then as it spins and tightens up and moves through, they'll turn to a north, and we could see gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour there Tuesday evening into Tuesday overnight hours. That's the timing where you could see some thunderstorms out ahead in the afternoon, maybe Wichita, south central Kansas, eastern Kansas. And then we'll be on that backside there in the evening overnight. It does have the potential now, if the computer models are accurate with the low pressures and the timing, we'd be in that 3 to 6 inch snow zone with those 40, 50 mile an hour winds. So it'll be right around the freezing mark. So it'll be a wet blowing snow, but something that we'll keep an eye on and monitor as we enjoy this nice weather the next several days.
Once again, that's Chris Sramek at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vyzourek.